Greetings and salutations everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. So on today's review I will be touching on a house that I love so much. It's a indie house and it is all the way from out of France. So it will be Byron Parfums. So it will be a two-part to this video where I will be doing a comparison between two fragrances. One is the original, the other is the flanker, and also there will be a unboxing and first impression video. So stay tuned guys. So the first fragrance I will be touching on is MULA MULA, and the one that I will be comparing it against is MULA MULA Rogue Extreme. MULA MULA was released back in 2018 along with .9 and I believe Pirates as well, and all three were bangers. These are the first generation of releases from the house, and let me tell you guys, this one is my favorite release from the house, followed by Chronic. In my opinion, it reminds me of a blend between Zaire Herba Pura, which has that fruit tart, vanillic fruit tart vibe, mixed with some Middle Eastern quality oud fragrance, such as Arabian oud, which is, I think it's you have the red and you have black. Calimat red, I would say, but it is very inviting, intriguing, and very sexy, this fragrance. I love and I prefer to smell this one on my girlfriend rather than smelling it on myself. The performance is beastly, projection more than average. I believe I get it over 10 feet projection with beautiful central, guys. This one right here, MULA MULA. And this one now, MULA MULA Rogue Extreme, let me tell you, this one is like the raspberry and the sweetness in this one, not to mention some creaminess. I'm not sure if there's tonka bean in this one because I haven't looked at the notes, but this one is creamier, it's sweeter, it's fruitier as well. But the performance on this one is not so much in comparison to MULA MULA. I do smell this one 13 hours on my skin, and that is remarkable. I made a coworker of mine, she smelled this one and she was amazed, and it is MULA MULA Rogue Extreme. Now, the other fragrance I will be touching on is Byron Black Dragon. Look at the finish, guys. The wording just fall off and it is just beautiful. So it will be a unboxing and first impression, and I do have my cutting tool, a 3-star. The problem I have with Byron packaging along with other reviewers is that when you try to open it, it's problem, okay? And I must say the presentation, look at that box, guys. And look, you have a pirate skull right here, and I must say, Byron, I will commend you on this one. Really nice. After seeing many reviewers talk about this fragrance, I decided that I need to try this one myself, so I ended up getting the Black Dragon. Now, to open it, I will not tear my box. I will just gently use the knife and try to pull the lid. Perfect. So I have a solution, guys. You should try that. Now, wow. As always, I love that I can stick my tongue underneath the bottom of it and just look at the bottle, guys. Look at the presentation, as always. Really simplistic and beautiful. The cap, a nice finish, matte, is a glossy look, and it feels way more premium than the previous ones. There is a gold atomizer here. I am really liking it, and the label is perfectly placed on the bottle as well. Now for my initial impression. Wish me luck, guys. I wonder if this one will kick Mula Mula out of the spot, or even the Chronics. Let's see. Give it about 2 seconds. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. It's fruity. I'm getting some, I'm not sure if it's some smokiness in this one, but I am getting some fruits. I am getting like some tropical fruits in this one. There is like this mintiness to the fragrance as well. I'm not sure, and I won't be looking at the notes because this is a first impression. But off the initial, it is creamy, heavy cream in this one. Really nice. The creaminess in this one is way more pronounced than it is in the Mula Mula Rogue Extreme, and I'm really digging this one. Wow. I get the vanilla. There is some smokiness as I mentioned, but it's not so pronounced. God damn. Wow. Again with a banger of a release from the house of Byron Parfums. Really digging this one, guys. I'm not so sure how it will perform on the skin, and I will be testing it out and giving you guys an update. But this is really nice. I am impressed with this one. Whoa. God damn. Let me spray some more. Ooh. I am really liking this one, guys. I can't say it kicked Byron Mula Mula or the Chronic out of the spot, but trust me, I will be wearing this one and I will tell you whether or not it does. As a matter of fact, I will be rating all of them in one video. So, god damn. You know what? It smells really good, guys. Anyhow, I'm your boy Jagen. If you take something of value from this video, consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below and share the video. If you have tried this one, let me know as well. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. Peace. I am out.